Well, went on vacation. Landon, motherfucker's rocking.
What are we stopping for?
Waiting on you fucking plane. Now we're back. Got back 2 days ago. Tomorrow, I'm gonna wake up fairly early and run an hour and 30 minutes northwest to Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and pick up my next horse trailer. Trying to get into the retail sale of stock trailers and any trailer really. And so we've got the tie downs and stuff put in my trailer into the Big Valley. The one that we're gonna get tomorrow is a Trailette or something like that. But just 2 D-rings, the turnbuckles. Same thing here. We got my bike loaded up. We might go ride today. Don't know. I got the toolbox in here, and it's stocked. But right now, I'm about to run to our shop uptown and get my truck ready for tomorrow. It's supposed to be raining tomorrow, which will be phenomenal, and I'll tell y'all why when I get back in the truck. Alrighty, so tomorrow morning, if the Lord is willing, me and Landon are running up to Pine Bluff, Arkansas. It's about an hour and 30 minutes from Lake Village, Arkansas, and we're about 15 minutes from Lake Village, Arkansas. So I'm about to run up to our shop now, check my oil, check my trans fluid, and wash my radiator and intercooler out. Just something I always do before I run up somewhere and get something far away. But I hope they're talking about some rain up through that area and all the way there. And if that's the case, that'd be perfect because it'd keep the truck cool and it'd keep the tires cool. I'm not worried about the trailer tires. They're not dry rotted and they have good tread. That's what I had found right there. I love that. Never seen something like it. That looks like a Western hauler flatbed or something. I know where one is, but it's on a truck, and I don't know what they usually go for. That's a lot of money for a truck bed, personally. But I might have to end up spending that much money if I'm going to make a career out of this. So I guess once I get home, I'll go and do something else, man. We'll see. I guess I'll put some tools in my truck, get my truck ready. Truck getting washed, I gotta go there with a dirty truck. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I got the engine room doors open on the trailer. Damn, Mike, you can see the motor in that bit, cuz. I gotta back up. Trains are cool. I gotta put the camera down. Well, here it is. Got the new trailer home, got it washed. It's from Vermont, so it's got some rust on it. It's got shore power, which you already have at the shop, water, cable TV. This is a ramp. All 3 of these open up. It's got good tires on it. The back is a little rusted from the salt, obviously, up there, but nothing I can't fix. It is from the passenger side. I'll set my cup down. Front of it. Still not very clean, but just a quick little rinse. Here is the living quarters. So, like I said, the feet are wet, so I really don't want to walk in too far, but here it is. Like I said, it's got water and a water tank, outlets, all kinds of stuff, shelves, steps, bed that is going to get deleted. And, yeah, we really didn't have any problems to it at home. I didn't record any on the way up there because, well, one, I was driving, two, I was trying to stay awake, and on the way home we were nervous Nelly because the tires were flat, so we had to stop at a truck stop at a Love's, air them up, and then from that point on I was just too busy. Well, we were both too busy watching National Geographic, get caught up in that mess. Yep, here she is. She's home for a little while anyway. I'll pick the I'm gonna take her back home later. There it came from. Lucky's Trailer Sales, South Royalton, Vermont. No telling what year. It's a 95 model. So it's pretty neat. Well, I don't know how well you can see it, but obviously it's late. My girlfriend's here, so I haven't been recording. So she's home. Started working on the fender. You can see the difference. I took it to the shop, pressure washed it, which obviously I said that in the last clip that y'all saw. And I have decided to, instead of SOS padding all this, acid washing it and then cleaning it, I'm gonna buff the sides out though, because I do not want to acid wash the whole thing and then you'll be left with stuff like that right there. But it's kind of wild seeing both of my, yeah, it's just mind-boggling to me to see plans just fall out right in front of me. Proud to be home. Thankful the Lord let us get home safely. No blowouts, man. I was sure praying. Stopped at the truck stop, had to air up some tires. So I was thankful and we made it home. No problems, hassle free. I'll go over all the repairs needed tomorrow, and then we can start working on it. This trailer's beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful, and I'm absolutely mind blown that I'm in possession of something such as this. I know y'all can't see, but y'all can hear me talking. I'm just absolutely mind blown. Except for this one's not for sale. This one is going to be, I think. Don't know yet. But yeah. Just crazy, man. I don't know if I mentioned it, but there's your shore power, water, cable. This is a ramp, but like I said, I'll go over everything tomorrow. Just just mind blown. Just absolutely mind blown, man. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down. Go spend time with my people. Well, here's a better view of it in the day. So it needs work, of course, and they say that these are aluminum sides, but they won't polish. Like, we can't give it a polish, so I might have to sand them first. I'm gonna sand a little spot and then see if they'll polish, because some aluminum has like a coating on it, like a clear coat, and you usually gotta sand the clear coat off. But that I need to do in here, except get my girlfriend to clean it and vacuum it and wipe it down, and I think we're gonna throw the mattress away. I don't think anybody likes used mattresses, even if somebody were to buy this trailer. So there's the sticker on it, or the tag on it, 4-25-94 94 Jetstar XL3. One just sold last year for $15,000, so not bad. Here's my Big Valley 3-horse, but y'all know that. Done a lot more progress on the paint on it. You see the difference. I got this whole side done.